In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable camera on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you don't want one of your applications using the camera at all. Maybe when you open up something like Snapchat, you just don't want to see your face every time or see the other side or anything like that. So it's very easy to go ahead and do this. What we want to do is go over to our settings application. Now, once we're here, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see apps as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now over here, you just want to find whichever application you want to disable, like your camera access to. So let's just say we wanted to use something like, you can use Opera GX or literally anything, but we'll just use Snapchat for this example. Go ahead and click on it, then you're going to see permissions. As you can see right now, Snapchat has camera permissions. If I want to disable it, go over to it and then press don't allow instead, and then that's it. Whenever you open up Snapchat or whatever app you're doing this on, it's not going to have any camera permissions. If I go back, it's going to be a not allowed now. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.